The benefit of using a digital planner is that you not only have the ability to take your notes with you wherever you go, you have the ability to organize your thoughts and ideas. In a video that we did recently, we talked about using the Remarkable as that second brain and how using our planning system gives you the capabilities of capturing your thoughts and ideas, putting them on paper, organizing, and then executing so you achieve the results. A lot of times when people go through this process, they want to be able to share some of that content with colleagues. Maybe they even want to be able to convert their handwritten notes to text and be able to add additional documentation to it. I'm going to show you today with Remarkable how you can take handwritten notes and convert them to text. So right now I'm on my meeting page, and you can see here we have a meeting about an upcoming sales plan that we're doing to promote the new 2026 holiday gift lineup. We have a hyper racer and a hydro boat, of course, hydro boat, right? And then a tank plus max. Now this is a toy that I'm really excited about. Can you envision what that would look like? I wonder what AI would create for us if I put that in as a prompt. But the reality is here, I've taken these notes, we've been having a meeting, and we want to discuss this. And now I want to organize this in a way that I can share this with others. Well, real quick and easy, I can use my select tool. I can go ahead and select those handwritten notes right here and copy them. And then I can also go right here to this little button, the three dots, and click Add New Page. This adds a new quick sheet within the planning system. So any of the features that you benefit from the quick sheets inside of Remarkable, you can now add those within the planning system. I can take my marker, tap on the screen, and now you see we have brought over those particular notes right into this quick sheet. And you can see one of the things that we can do is convert to text. And with one tap of a button, Hyper Racer, Hydro Boat, and Tank plus Max are all part of our notes. And I can even now go in and I can change some of the notes. I can do all the text features. I can make bold. I can go ahead and italicize this. I can edit it. I can also pull out my keyboard and start to add more notes to this page. But what happens if I want to get back to my meeting page? Well, simply swipe back, and there you go. One of the beautiful things about the planning system, let's just say we were in January and we were on a particular daily page and we want to quickly access those meeting notes. We go ahead and tap on either the key button or the meetings button. It shows us a page of all of our meeting pages, and you can see right here I have Tom Bradford. If I click on the one, it takes me to an index page of those meeting notes, and then in Cadence is that particular page. Now with this quick sheet, we also have the ability to expand on other features. For example, I can now go ahead and share this as a presentation via email, or even create a link to this particular page. I even have the ability to draw in shapes. So if I wanted to go ahead and put, maybe I can draw myself a tank here. Yeah, this is gonna be a good tank. Yeah, just a big, look at that. Oh yeah, that's a fighter jet. Wheels. I did not go to school for visual engineering, but there you go. That's how you can do that. So all of those features that you would have inside quick sheets, you can bring over to your planning system and have all the different benefits of that. And I can even now go ahead and take my little diagram, pull back, and drop that on my page. So now it works both ways. If I want to be able to do illustrations and drawings, maybe if I want to do that illustration and drawing and bring it into a daily page, I can do that as well. When I get to January 15th, people are going to wonder what I was doing here. But I can drop that right here and carry that illustration. Now you can put those quick sheets everywhere in a planner. So you can put it after a daily page, a project page, you can add more pages. And what's even more exciting about those quick sheets, if I add in a quick sheet or a new page, I then can use all of the e-tiles that we have. So if I want to pull in any of the e-tiles that we have into this page, I can create a new layer, add in the e-tile, create another layer, and go ahead and write over top of that. So it's great for like sticky notes and things in that nature, so you might want to check those out. But that is how you can take handwritten notes in the Remarkable and convert them to text and share them with your community. If you got one thing on this video, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you think there's a friend out there that would enjoy this content, go ahead and share it with them. Subscribe to our channel for more great tips from me and everyone else that is a part of this community. And by all means, if you got a question, hit the comments, feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys in the next video, Lord willing. God bless each and every one of you.